Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is a continuation of my bodice block draft. So here I'm going to show you how to transfer the waist dart to the bust area and also the shoulder. First we're going to find our apex point, which is your apex to apex measurement divided by 2. Place 1/2 of that measurement on your bust line, and we're going to extend that line towards the waist. Then connect one leg of your dart to that apex point. At the underarm, we're going to go down by 2 inches to create the line for our dart. Now I'm going to connect that 2 inches to the apex point also. Now to transfer the dart to the shoulder, you're going to find the midpoint of your shoulder and also draw a line from that midpoint to your apex. Now slashing through that bust line, we're going to slash to the apex point and also slash one leg of the waist dart also to the apex point. Now determine how wide you want your waist dart to be. Mine is about 1.5 inches. So I'm going to measure that from the second dart leg that is closest to my center front. Measure 1.5 and connect that 1.5 to the apex point. And then I'm going to take my paper and close that dart to my 1.5 inches. Once that's done, I'm going to tape that down and it automatically opens at the bust area. Now placing a paper underneath my pattern, I'm going to tape that down. And from the apex point, I'm going downwards by 3/4 of an inch, and I'm going to connect that 3/4 of an inch to my dart legs, to where the paper opens. And I'm also going to take that measurement and find the midpoint of that measurement also and connect that midpoint to my apex area. Then I'm going to close the dart and following that straight line on the original pattern, I'm going to cut following the straight line. That way your bust dart is complete. Now to transfer that bust dart to the shoulder line, we're going to slash to the apex, not through, we're going to slash to the apex point and then close our bust dart. Tape that down and it automatically opens at the shoulder. Place a paper underneath that pattern, tape it down. And from your apex point, measure 3/4 of an inch or 1 inch and connect that point to your dart legs or where the paper opens. So basically we're repeating the same thing we did for the bust. Find the midpoint of that line and connect that to your apex point. And then fold one leg of the dart, the leg that is closest to the neckline. And following the original pattern for the shoulder, cut the excess out, and then you have your shoulder dart complete. Now that's how you transfer some of your darts on the waistline to the shoulder point and also to the bust point. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel.